In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Zoom link to Teachable course. By the end, you'll have a Zoom event neatly embedded inside a Teachable lesson, so your learners know exactly when and where to join. First, we need to connect Zoom to your Teachable school. From your Teachable school admin, open the App Hub. This is the place where you can plug in tools that extend your school's functionality. Look through the list of available apps and find Zoom, then click Install. You'll be taken to Zoom to authorize Teachable. This permission simply lets Teachable create and display Zoom events on your behalf. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Zoom account before approving, especially if you manage multiple accounts. If you see an approval screen, confirm the connection, and you'll be brought back to Teachable with Zoom installed and ready to use. Now, let's add a Zoom block to a specific lesson. Open your course, go to Curriculum, and select an existing lesson or create a new one if you prefer to keep your live sessions separate from other content. Inside the lesson editor, click Add Content. Scroll down to the Apps section and choose the Zoom block. This inserts a dedicated area in the lesson where your event details and join information will appear for students in a clean, familiar format. With the block in place, it's time to configure the event. Give it a clear title, like the topic of your session or the cohort name, so learners immediately recognize what the meeting is about. Set the date, time, duration, and time zone. Double-check the time zone, especially if your audience is international. Accuracy here prevents missed sessions. Choose a duration that reflects the real length of your session, which helps set expectations for your learners. You can also add a description to provide context, such as what will be covered or any materials students should have on hand. This is optional but helpful for reducing questions and improving attendance. If you have a relevant image, like a course banner or topic graphic, you can include it to make the block more visually engaging and easier to spot within the lesson. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your Zoom event is now connected to the lesson, and students will see the details right where they're learning. If you ever need to run another session, repeat these steps in any lesson where a live meeting makes sense. Thanks for watching, and enjoy hosting your Zoom events directly inside Teachable.